Chapter 47 Trial by Fire. Sita was shocked by the allegations. For close to a year, she was imprisoned in the Ashoka Grove until she was willing to submit to Ravana's desires. She endured physical and psychological torture from Ravana's demon servants and the Demon King himself. Every day had been a battle of will and faith. Yet now, after all her suffering, she stood accused by her own husband. Shock and confusion gave way to fury. "You should have advised on your doubts when you sent Hanuman or Vibhishan. I would have spared you this war, spared your allies their pain and suffering," replied Sita. "When Hanuman found me in the Ashoka Grove, I was ready to end my life rather than submit to Ravana's desires. Your accusations dishonor me. I was taken by force, not choice. My heart and mind have never strayed." Then her tone hardened. "Lakshmana," she called, "build me a pyre of fire. I will prove my honor before heaven and earth." Lakshmana was furious. He turned to Ram with a questioning gaze, but Ram simply motioned for him to do as told. Lakshmana obeyed and gathered the material to build the pyre, and then proceeded to ignite the flame. The crowds moved further in, gripped by confusion and fear. In the heavens, the gods themselves gathered to observe the curious play at hand in the mortal plane. None could comprehend the purpose of the prince's actions. The love between Rama and Sita was known across the three worlds, yet now it seemed he would let her perish. Sita stood before the raging flame. She raised her voice so that all could hear. "If ever I have wavered in thought, word, or deed, if ever I have strayed from the path of Dharma, then let these flames consume me." The crowd gathered shouted out in horror as the princess of Mithila stepped into the flames. And then, for what seemed like an eternity, the gathered spectators remained in shocked silence. Suddenly, in a burst of flames, Agni Dev, the Lord of Fire, appeared from the pyre, and before him, Sita, untouched by the flames. "Lord Ram," Agni declared, "Princess Sita is pure, faultless in thought, word, and deed. Never again shall anyone doubt the princess of Mithila." Ram smiled. "Lord Agni, there was never doubt in my mind. As the rays of the sun cannot be separated from the sun itself, so too can Ram not be parted from Sita. But the queen of Ayodhya must be beyond reproach, not only before men, but before the gods themselves. Let all bear witness to Sita's righteousness." Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.